Hi guys, this is Alex Instructum again, and I am here to talk to you about Kahoot. Um, Kahoot is a super popular way to elicit student response in kind of an untraditional way. It's a good way to have a formative response from your student, a formative analysis. I've used Kahoot in a variety of different ways. From reading comprehension to just about text. Um, and it's super easy to use and create. So let's say I want to create a quiz. Then I will have an account here. I created this through my Gmail. And you'll just go here to quiz. And you can create a title. So let's say we're doing Harry Potter. And here you can add fun images, you can add a description, visible to however many people. And we'll do okay go. Oh, I guess you'll have to add a description. This is about Harry Potter. Audience to school. Okay, go. And so then we just add a question. What is Harry's middle name? Answer 1, James. Answer 2, Hagrid. Answer 2, oops, wrong. Answer 4, Snape. So I know that the correct answer is number 1, and you will put whichever one is the correct one. And then we'll hit next. Usually it's fun to add an image, so if we want to add an image, let's just go to Google. Harry Potter. Images. Here's a cool one of Harry. It's got the sword of Gryffindor. We'll save image. And because I'm using Google Chrome, it saves, you can see what just downloaded, and we can just drag and drop. And so now we have Harry. And so I want to show you a quiz that I've already created. We'll go to My Kahoots, and we can play the quiz. So Kahoot is awesome because it allows students to use their phones or tablets or whatever to connect with the game. So we'll do a classic device. So I've used my phone to connect to the Kahoot game. All I did was go to Kahoot.com on my phone, and I entered the PIN, and now I'm connected. So you can see my name here, I'm the player, and you can have a ton of players. I don't even know if there's a limit, so you could have your whole class playing on one Kahoot. So we'll hit start, and this is about reading comprehension. And we had a passage. So what was the main idea about? What is the passage mostly about? If I recall, the passage was about the different Hogwarts house and their characteristics. So there we go. I answered on my phone, and you can see that it shows here. So you can kind of gauge how your students are doing without singling them out, especially if they have weird nicknames. So you can see here I got it right, so it gives me some points. We'll do one more. According to the Sorting Hat song, which Hogwarts house is brave, daring, and chivalrous? Well, I know that that's Gryffindor, so I got that right again. So we'll go back to just the regular Kahoot. Kahoot is a great way to quiz your students and figure out and gauge where they are without having to give them a formal quiz. So the way that I've used this in an ELA classroom, as you just saw, is a informal reading comprehension quiz. We gave them a whole PowerPoint about reading comprehension, and then we quizzed them to see where we needed to reteach, what we needed to redo, and if our methods were good for the students or not. So I highly recommend Kahoot in your ELA classroom. You can use it in a variety of different ways. Thanks for watching, guys.